You thought the version 4 of Midjourney was good? No, you should see this one, man. So basically, Midjourney just released, an announcement about how they're gonna drop the version 5 pretty soon. I don't think they said when, but it is kind of like a hint, so it's pretty soon. And from what I've seen, it's looking real good. And basically, if you're a member, which you're a paying member of the Midjourney community, you can also have access, and I'll drop the link in the description where you can go and see some of these images yourself. And from what they were saying, it's not necessary that it is a exact depiction of what the version 5 images will look like, but it's kind of like a test. And so in this video, we're going to be going through those images and comparing for ourselves. So let's go. So as you can see right here, the message was dropped yesterday at 6 p.m. and these are the directions for those people who would like to go through those images. But this is really what they're trying to get us to pay attention to, which is, as it says here, these images are not representative of the version 5 algorithms we will release soon. So there is no exact time. They haven't given us like an exact date when it's gonna drop. And also he's saying these images are plain, boring, unopinionated, to help the system learn whether version 5 should have a different style from version 4. But it is saying that these images are gonna have higher resolution and have better details, which means the newer version will most likely, obviously, will have more details. And from what I've seen from the images that have been dropped on like Twitter, especially the human physique is a lot more detailed. If I've ever made like an image from Midjourney of humans where sometimes the fingers might be like 6 or like 8 or 9, I'm thinking probably with the new release it's gonna be a lot more realistic. So let's click this link and I gotta sign in, bro. All right, let's go. I'm gonna sign in right now. So as you can see, this is where you can see the different images, and I don't know what this is on my left. Probably supposed to be like a logo or something. I don't know. And on the right, it looks like a car, but this is some good details. You can see the lighting of the lighting of the image is very realistic. You can see even gives a perfect reflection on the side of the water, which is telling me, it looks real. Oh wow, this looks like what's this game? Fortnite. It looks like a character from like the Fortnite game, which is pretty good actually. He's smoking. I don't know what kind of cigarette my boy's smoking, man. Man, if you got them type tattoos, bro, you gotta get yourself checked, my man. Let's go with this one. Ooh, I like this. Jesus, oh my God. They got my boy Jesus walking with us. What is this? A surfing board? Oh my God. But this is pretty good though. I like this one over here. I ain't gonna let you disrespect my boy, not my boy. I ain't gonna let you disrespect Jesus like that. So I'm gonna click on this one. See, now this looks pretty good. You know what I mean? This looks like one of them 80s action movie style art that I be seeing a lot on YouTube. This is incredible. This looks like on them fashion, design events and stuff. I like this one. Look at this. This looks, both of them actually. All right, y'all comment which one you think, which one you like the best. But I like this one because this one looks real. But this one, on the other hand, just the way the light just hits the glass, kind of like a cathedral or something. That's the image I'm getting. But oh my God, let's see. Come on, which one I'm gonna go with? Let's go with this. This is crazy. You can see how the bodies are a lot more defined. You know, you can see the collarbones and the neck and all of that stuff. Even though it's a AI generated image, you can see how more detailed they are. And on the right side is a panther or a jaguar. Looks very realistic. Wow. See how she got 5 fingers? Sometimes in some of the images that I used to make from Midjourney, like trying to make it more realistic, the fingers was always messed up. And although from you might think, oh yeah, but this one is her left hand, but I'm thinking from the shot, it's not perfect, but from the angle at which the camera is taking the photo and how she's putting her hand, we can kind of use that as an excuse to say that's probably why. But I think they're making good progress. I'm gonna go with this one. This looks very realistic. The lighting, you know, it looks like a photo taken in a studio, lighting and all that stuff. Good. Ooh, this is dope right here. I don't know what this is supposed to be. So that's what they're saying. This is nice. I like this one. Wow, it's like a 80s action or 80s horror movie type image. This is crazy. This is crazy. That's all I can say. It's just crazy. This is so detailed. It should have been New York though. With all them rats. It should have been New York. But this is pretty good. I'm gonna go with this. Wow. Wow, this okay. These 2 images is pretty high quality. This is crazy. You got a clown on top of a mountain. And you can see, guys, you can just keep going and you could just, you know, and I'm thinking it's probably helping them decide what, you know, because we don't know which one is exactly version 4, version 5, I think. So maybe by the surveys, they might be able to get an idea if it's a good idea to release it or not. I don't know. But I just thought to let you guys, to update you guys on the, you know, the announcement for the version 5. And if you all like this video, go ahead and subscribe and leave a like and comment. And like I said, the link for this survey will be in the description. You can go and click it by yourself and check it out yourself, you know. But that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.